Welcome to this amazing one-owner 2008 Atomic Orange Z06 2LZ. It only has 27,000 miles and is a California car. Let's start her up and go for a ride. As we mentioned, this is a one-owner California car, having been purchased at Michael Stead Corvette in Walnut Creek in May of 2009. It's been well taken care of and has a hair under 27,000 miles. We have the window sticker along with all the service receipts. This 427 pumps out 505 horsepower to its 6-speed manual transmission. As a precaution, the owner replaced the original heads with upgraded American Heritage ones. It also has a backup camera and, of course, that heads-up display. And for more info, visit us at Genau AutoWerks.com. Thank you.